Hello everyone, let us see the last topic of sets, that is, we'll count the number of elements in two sets. Okay, first of all. So, we will see some practical problems on sets, on a union of sets or an intersection of sets. So, for this, first of all, let us discuss for two sets. We will see union and intersection, number of elements in union and intersection of two sets. Venn diagram of representation of this two sets be like, this is set A, this is set B, okay, and this is universal set. So let this be small a, and in B will small b, and in intersection be A. This is, what is this? This is A intersection B. Number of elements in only A. In only set A is small a. Number of elements in only B, small b, and number of elements in both A and B, C. हमने ये मान लिया कि A में सिर्फ A सेट में A है, B में B है और C में C एलिमेंट्स है. तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इन सेट A कितने हो जाएंगे? नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इन A, कार्डिनल नंबर ऑफ A कितने हो जाएंगे? A प्लस C, उसकी इंटरसेक्शन में भी जितने हैं. सिमिलरली नंबर ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन A और B में कितने हो जाएंगे? B प्लस C हो जाएंगे. एंड इंटरसेक्शन में हमने माना हुआ है कि इनके C एलिमेंट्स. ठीक है. नाउ अगर हम इस तरीके से देखें तो N A यूनियन B क्या आएगा? तीनों सेट्स में कितने एलिमेंट्स होंगे? A प्लस B प्लस C. Now let us see what will be the formula for this. Formula for number of elements in A union B. Number of elements in A union B will be equal to number of elements in A plus number of elements in B, and you will subtract number of elements in the intersection. Why you will subtract this? Because हमने जब A के नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स लिए थे तब भी आपने इंटरसेक्शन के ले लिए थे, और जब हमने B के एलिमेंट्स लिए तब भी आपने इंटरसेक्शन के ले लिए थे. लेकिन हमारी यूनियन में इंटरसेक्शन के सिर्फ एक ही बार आएंगे, तभी टोटल नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स आएगा यूनियन B. So for union of this you have to take only once the intersection. So adding this gives you 2C, and we will subtract intersection from that. So you are with this formula that number of elements in A union B is equal to the number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus their intersection. Okay, now let us see one example. Suppose the question given to you is, this example is given to you that in a school there are 20 teachers who teach mathematics and physics. We are having 20 teachers which teach both the subjects, that is mathematics and physics. Of these, 12 teach mathematics and 4 both physics and maths. So what is given to you? That in total means union, how many teachers are there in school? 20. 4 teach both physics and maths, that means their intersection, both maths and physics, be 4. Okay, if A is a set of maths teacher and B is a set of physics teacher. Okay, so union and intersection is given to, of these 12 teach only mathematics, मतलब हमारे पास सिर्फ number of teachers A teach करने वाले सिर्फ 12 है, and you are with this formula to find. So you will use this, n of A in union B कितना होता है? N of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So what you do is, union is given to you 20 teachers in total, maths 12 teachers, physics you have to calculate, this you have to calculate, and intersection is given to be 4. So in this way you have to put the values in this formula to find 20 minus 15 plus 4, number of elements in B, that is 12. So how many teachers teach physics? That is 12. In this way you have to use your this number of elements formula for this 2 sets, if 2 sets are given to you. Now let us see for 3 sets. For 3 sets, union and intersection relation. Okay. Suppose you are having these 3 sets. Okay. This is universal set. And this is a set A. This is set B and this is set C. So number of elements in A be B, C, and G. So these are number of elements. Okay, in A B only A B A, in A and B B, B plus G. Okay, so here you are with number of elements in A. How many number of elements in A are? A plus B plus F plus G. We will sum up these all. Number of elements in B will be B plus C plus G plus D. Number of elements in CB, F plus G plus D plus E. Okay, and in their intersection, A intersection B, A intersection B will be only these two, B plus G. Number of elements in B intersection C, B intersection CB, G plus D. Number of elements in A intersection C will be F plus G. Okay, and number of elements in A intersection B intersection C, all the three is only G. So this is the information given to you. Now you have to find the relation between their intersection and union. If we see the union of this, N of A union B union C will be A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G. This will be their union, adding up all these. Okay, so if we see what will be the formula, we have to write union A union B union C. Okay, so means all these number of elements will be ones. Okay, but you see here that G is repeated. When we write number of elements in A, B and C, G comes to be 3 times. G comes to be 3 times and D comes to be 2 times. Similarly, F comes to be 2 times. ठीक है, ये आपको दिख रहा है कि G 3 बार आया है, D 2 बार आया है, F 2 बार आया है, B 2 बार आया है, लेकिन A, C और E once ही है. A, C and E हमारे पास सिर्फ एक ही बार आया है. तो what you have to do is you have to add A plus number of elements in B plus number of elements in C. Now you are with आपके पास A, C और E once आ चुका है. ठीक है, आपको once ही चाहिए, तो you don't have to do anything with that. What is B, D, G, F? ये आपके पास twice times है. That means you have this 2 times. Times आ रहे हैं, D आ रहा है और ये सब आ रहा है. तो आपने क्या करना है? You have to subtract this. What you have to do is you have to subtract A intersection B, you have to subtract B intersection C, and you have to subtract A intersection C. Now what you see is जब आपने तीनों subtract करा तो आपके पास यहाँ 3 times G था और हुआ क्या? 3 times G subtract हो गया. मतलब आपके पास ये वाला पोर्शन उड़ चुका है, ये वाला पोर्शन नहीं है जब आपने इतनी चीज लिख दी, नहीं है. दैट मीन्स 3 बार G यहाँ आ रहा था और ये तीनों बार G आपने यहाँ से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया, मतलब कि आपको ऐड करना पड़ेगा अब ये G जो आपने सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया, बिकॉज आपको सब कुछ वंस चाहिए. So if you see that right hand side is equal to left hand side. This is our formula for 3 sets to count number of elements in the set. Formula to find the number of elements in union of the set will be in A plus in number of elements in B plus number of elements in C minus their intersections and adding their whole 3 intersection ones, this part. Okay, so left hand side is equal to right hand side. So in general way of writing this formula is N of A union B union C will be, you have to write summation N of A, then you have to subtract the intersection of 2 sets. You will subtract the intersection of these 3 and then you will add the intersection of the 3 sets. So this is the formula in general form. So in case you are given the n number of sets, that is A union B union C so on, you are given how many sets you are given, कितने मर्जी एलिमेंट्स सेट्स दिए हो सकते हैं, आपको उसकी यूनियन निकालनी हो तो आपने सबसे पहले क्या करना है? समेशन कर देना है सारे सेट्स का सिंगल टाइम. देन यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट द सेट्स their intersection double time and then you have to add their intersection of 3 sets and then again subtract the intersection of 4 sets. So in this way you will go on to find the number of elements. So आपको generally इस लेवल पे 2 sets या 3 sets का ही आएगा कि number of elements count करो. तो 2 sets के लिए आपने फॉर्मूला कर लिया और 3 सेट्स के लिए आपके पास ये फॉर्मूला है, तो हम उसकी जनरल फॉर्म लिख देते हैं कि अगर 4, 5, 6 सेट्स दिए होंगे तो आपने क्या करना है? समेशन एक एक सेट का ऐड करना है, फिर सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देनी है 2 की समेशन, फिर ऐड कर देनी है 3 की समेशन और फिर सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देनी है 4 की समेशन एंड सो ऑन. इस वे में आपका, इस फॉर्मेट में आपका चलेगा इसका फॉर्मूला. बेसिकली आपको ये दो फॉर्मूले याद रखना है, फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड. ओके ओके, लेट अस सी दिस क्वेश्चन. A college awarded 38 medals in football, 15 medals in basketball and 20 in cricket. So 38 medals in football, 15 medals in basketball and 20 in cricket. So what information is given to you? That number of medals in football, let it denote by capital F, will be 38, and number of medals in basketball is 15, and number of medals in cricket is 20. This information is given to you. If these medals went to a total of 58 men and only 3 men got medals in all the 3 sports. All the 3 means जब आपने इंटरसेक्शन ली, फुटबॉल इंटरसेक्शन बास्केटबॉल इंटरसेक्शन क्रिकेट, सिर्फ 3 मेन को तीनों में मेडल मिला है. ओके, एंड टोटल हमें दे रखा है कि टोटल कितने मेन थे, यूनियन कितनी थी इनकी, दैट इज 58. So in total 58 men got medals and 3 men got medals in all the 3 sports. So how many received medals in exactly 2 sports? That means you have to calculate that how many football intersection basketball plus basketball intersection cricket plus cricket intersection football. So exactly 2 sports में medal how many men को मिलता है. तो by using this formula, when you use this formula, you put total number of men is 58. In football be 38 plus 15 plus 20 minus the intersection of football. Number of medals in basketball intersection cricket minus number of medals in football intersection cricket and the sum of all 3. Sum of all 3 medals is 3. Okay. Now मैंने exactly got in 2 spots. Exactly means दो की intersection हमने find करनी है. That means you have to calculate number of elements in F intersection B plus number of elements in B intersection C plus number of intersection in F intersection S. So that is here with 73 minus 58 plus 3. That means 70 with 18. So how many men got medals in 2 sports? That is number of men are 18 that got in 2 sports. So in this way you have to use these formulas to calculate the number of elements in a set. Okay. With this we have completed our sets, and the next we are going to start relations. Thank you.